DPZ stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Dominos Pizza stock is a buy or not for me. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So, well, it fell down 13%. That's crazy. Looking at it from like a broader picture, obviously it's a pretty good bullish market. So what I'm going to do, just mark out the highs. There you go. Mark out these demand zones. There you go. So, I mean, it's a weekly chart, you know. This doesn't like to move that much. I mean, from today we do see that it moved a bit, but if the price manages to give me a double break, then only then I'd buy. I need to see that confirmation. I wouldn't just randomly buy. And for confirmation, I'm going to use the second type, which is just a one candle thing, you know. So yeah, I'm going to be waiting. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. I'll see you in the next